Pleasant day to everyone here. Today we're gonna take a look at the multimeter and some of the important symbols that you see on this piece of device. The first symbol is self-explanatory because it's showing that this multimeter is in the off position. The second symbol represents AC voltage. The third symbol represents DC voltage. Both AC and DC describe types of current flow in a circuit. In a DC voltage, the electric charge only flows in one direction, and the AC voltage, on the other hand, changes periodically. The main source of DC voltage inside a vehicle is the car battery. So if we're gonna work on something inside the vehicle, we would place the lever on that symbol to test for DC voltage. The next important symbol is the fifth symbol on this piece of device. It's also called continuity. Continuity is one of the most useful tests for electronic repair. A continuity test tells us whether two things are electrically connected. If something is continuous, an electric current can flow freely from one end to another. If there is no continuity, it means there is a break inside the circuit. This could indicate anything from a blown fuse or a bad solder joint to an incorrect wire circuit. So those symbols are most important when working with a vehicle. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys subscribe, like and comment.